Oh, kana, red na. Ako po yan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Press.
So, hi Dongard. What is your message to Honey, who's celebrating her birthday today?
Happy birthday, and may you have many more blessings to come, and I hope you will be happy, and see you next year in America.
Don't you think that's too ambitious? Okay, so what is your wish for the new year? What's your wish for the new year?
I hope 2011 will be very prosperous for all of us, and that's all.
So I heard that you're already the assistant manager for Cebu Pacific. What can you say about that?
With great powers comes with great responsibilities.